What's up, YouTube? This is what it looks like in fall in Alabama, where I'm from. The deck is leaning. That's how bad the water level is low. I done went to two of my previous fishing spots. One where I caught a 5-pounder, and that thing is completely dried out. This sucks. Well, I just got here. I'll let y'all know if I catch anything out of here, which I probably doubt it. I don't know, maybe. But I think I'm done with fishing for a while. Unless it starts raining like a mug, but I doubt that happens. The water level is so low that the landing dock is closed down. Boats can't even get in the river. Water level dropped probably like 6 feet, maybe, probably even more. It's sad. Well, let me get to fishing. I'll show y'all if I catch anything. Peace.